Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Circle to search on Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your smartphone and open the Settings applications. This is where we'll adjust the necessary features to enable Circle to search. Step 2. Now, scroll through the menu and locate the display option and tap on it to open it up. Step 3. Now, scroll through the menu and locate the navigation bar option. Tap on it. Here, make sure you select button mode instead of swipe gestures. Circle to search requires button navigation to work correctly, especially the home button, which is key to activating the feature. Step 4. After that, locate the Circle to search option. This feature is only available on select Samsung Galaxy models running the latest Android version, Android 15 and One UI 7 or newer. If your phone supports it, you'll see the Circle to search option. Tap on it and turn it on. Step 5. Once it's enabled, here's how you use it. Open a photo in your gallery or any app where you see an image or text you want to know more about. Tap and hold the home button in button mode. This will activate Circle to search. Then, draw a circle around the object, text, or image you're curious about using your finger. Google will instantly search for it and show related results, including names, related photos, websites, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.